Nagawang dalawang pa na kami.
We're hungry.
Ma, happy 70th birthday.
It's great.
Lagi po kasi masaya ako po uling. 2 years ago po, yung 70th birthday, tatang. Yan naman po yung man. Dikit-dikit tayo naman po. Kaya po, happy birthday, Mama Nis. Many more blessings to come and basta po masaya akong po din. Kaya birthday, Mama Nis. Uy, kayo.
Thanks.
Happy birthday and may God bless you always and may He shower you with all the blessings, with all the love, good health, and long life. Happy birthday. I love you.
Samuel,
Let's eat.
salita ka na kailangan. At yun yung medyo Santa Lucia. Nakailangan na pagkikyak. Di mo